But
Miggy, teach me how to drive the scooter. What shall I do with the scooter first?
like with a scooter, you have to start on a gray one, and then there's brakes, and then if you go on drive on the gray one, it goes to 15. But if you do one hand, but you haven't started, you might fall shock-headed, and if on a black one,
No,
the
no.
big
Look,
one.
look at the camera.
But on the black one, like
You mean I will? There's an accelerator, so it will run.
yeah,
Yeah. And then
on the black one, when you push the accelerator on the black one, it goes 16, but it doesn't feel like it's going 16 because it feels like it's going too fast.
you mean there is a button that I
No,
will
the accelerator.
the accelerator.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and but on the big one, it goes over 20.
Uh,
But on both, but on walk on big one, it feels like a speed walking, but on the small one, it it's just slower than normal walking.
How about if I want to stop?
There's some brakes on
Brake.
each
There's a
side.
brake lever,
Yeah,
and then
and when if you go on a gray one, if you hold it for 10 or more seconds, it will go auto mode, and
auto
then
mode.
if you want to stop it, you have to hold the brakes. But on the black one, I don't know.
Ah, that's all. So it will run all by himself. If I will just turn the accelerator
No, only on a gray one.
in the gray one.
Yeah.
See, that's all. That's all.
No, on the big one, there's eco mode.
Eco mode.
Yeah, eco mode is a faster than walk, but slower than drive, and eco mode goes 10.
Nah, I think that's all. That's all the instructions.
Yeah.
So, you think that I can drive it also with your guidance?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Miggy.